What's up guys, this is Devon with Repair My Funnel, and in today's video I'm going to share a design tool with you for funnel building that we should probably keep a secret. So I'm going to whisper and I'm going to say it quietly, but this tool is called Dribble. Dribble is an awesome tool for inspiration because what I always say is when you're building a funnel, when you're building a website, there's no reason to start from square one. There's no reason to start from scratch. There's no reason to start from a blank idea. Now, this is not me encouraging you to steal other people's designs. Please do not do that. What I am encouraging you here is to do research and develop your own ideas around inspiration from others, right? So as we get to Dribble here on my computer, what I actually do when I go to Dribble to start is I just look at the search of landing pages. Now, you can definitely dial in a different search specific to your niche, but you'll notice even just off of landing pages, you get a really good starting point of some inspiration for section layout, colors, headline placement, image placement, and stuff like that. And so you can actually go through these, and in certain cases, you can actually see a full-on demo of the site itself. And you can see this designer actually has some animation in there too, so it really pops and puts things out there. You can even go a little bit further, as I mentioned. If you wanted to do fitness, we could type fitness in the box here. So if we say fitness landing pages and search that, now you're going to get something more along the lines of fitness, and you can kind of go down the bend and get more inspiration in your niche if that's where you are. As you click on these things, of course, you're going to kind of get that inspiration for different section layouts, colors, images, everything like that. Where they're putting the about me stuff, where they're putting the plans for your subscriptions if you have them, for coaching, or your subscriptions for your app, stuff like that, right? So you can go down and get a lot of inspiration. Another cool thing you could do within Dribble as well is you could switch up the search types. So you can really filter in on people that are doing things like animation, for example. So if we click on animation, now the searches is going to be fitness landing pages that have some sort of animation to them. So as we look at these pages, you'll see the animation in real time. It helped a little bit that in our first search, the landing page that we clicked on already had animation. But all of these, as we hover over them, you'll notice should already have that animation involved. And that's just another key of inspiration. I truly believe that animation really brings your design to the next level. So keep that in mind when you are designing a funnel. Now, one last thing I wanted to mention here as well in the search filtering is the branding option. The branding option is kind of cool because what it does is it shows you branding kits essentially. So if you've never seen a branding kit before, this breaks down like font families, this breaks down colors being used, maybe even, font sizes and stuff like that. So we have our colors that are being used for a palette. We have font families as well, and then even buttons and logos and stuff like that. A brand kit really helps you get inspired as the funnel builder when you're building something for a client, but also the brand kit really positions you as an expert if they don't have one already, and it helps them in the future position themselves as an expert if they were ever dealing with a high-end client where maybe they needed to present a brand kit to them. Hey, what are your fonts that you use? What is your logos? What are your colors? What are some of your main images? What are some of your testimonies? Whatever the case, right? Brand kits are really inspirational, but also a very professional touch to a portfolio or to a business in general. So I really hope this video was helpful. If you guys enjoy content like this, I highly encourage you to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. If you are unfamiliar with who Repair My Funnel is, we are a done-for-you tech support service. What that means is if you're a business owner and you use something like ClickFunnels, you can offload all of your tech support tasks onto us, and we will do it for you. And for a limited time, we are offering this service for only $1 upfront for 30 days. If that's something that interests you, I highly encourage you to go to www.repairmyfunnel.com/support-expert to get started today. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next one.